Hi everyone, welcome back to Educate Every Day. Today we're going to explore the building blocks of language, the parts of speech. You know how we use words to communicate? Well, words can be classified into different categories based on their functions. These categories are called parts of speech. Let's start with nouns. Nouns are words that refer to people, places, things, and ideas. Examples include book, city, teacher, and happiness. Next up are verbs. Verbs are words that express actions or states of being. Examples include run, jump, be, and have. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns. They tell us more about the characteristics of a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples include happy, big, blue, and interesting. Adverbs are words that describe or modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They tell us more about the manner, time, place, or degree of an action. Examples include quickly, very, well, and yesterday. Pronouns are words that replace nouns in a sentence. They help us avoid repetition and make our language more efficient. Examples include he, she, it, and they. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. Examples include in, on, at, and with. Conjunctions are words that connect words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. Examples include and, but, or, and so. Interjections are words that express emotion or feeling. Examples include oh, wow, ouch, and ah. And that's it. These are the parts of speech that help us communicate effectively. Understanding the different parts of speech can help you improve your language skills and become a better communicator. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more educational content.